Alright, and here we are in another journey. 2022 brand new Altima, Nissan Altima, daily driver, 16 miles from the factory to the house, now to my house. So I got first dips on the car, and we're gonna drive home. We're about, I don't know how many miles from home, but we came to pick it up from the customer. He's one of my real good customers, and he went and picked me up and brought me to the house and said, okay, I need this car done by Monday. Today is Friday, so it's gonna be another of these non-stop marathons. We're gonna do our package and put the ceramic coating, but nevertheless, tomorrow I'll show you more, but I want to record the 16 miles. So down we go. Hello and welcome to the channel. So welcome back. We're gonna show you out there the 16 mile 2022 Nissan Altima, and we're gonna go at it brand new from the dealer to us. We're gonna do our package, and down we go. And I'm finishing this guy here, so I've been quite busy. Look at this guy. Don't forget to check that video. We're gonna do our standard package, and you can see a lot of watermarks already. It has no protection. I'm gonna spray the wheels, polish the glass. Right here, this is what they call the Altima Midnight SR, brand new one. So yeah, a lot of orange peel, and we're not gonna do anything with that, but there's no shine, so that we're gonna address. So, and then we got that guy there. Okay, so we are going for today. So I noticed a lot of orange peel here, so let me see. Right here, 47, 47, 42, 42. All right, I thought it was gonna be worse. All right, we want to capture again, brand new car, 16 miles, and they're coming up without zero protection. Right there, you can see nothing protecting. So this is a good opportunity to do a wet application on the Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus. So let's take a look. So here's the Quick Detailer Plus. So we're just going to spray the surface, maybe glide it back and forth. And then just going to put straight water to see what it does. And there you have it. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Doing the job. Okay, with the clay block, standard procedure for us. Much better than a conventional clay. So glide away. Usually the windows, they need to be done. Nothing there. Look at that. No clarity. Check this out. That part that we put the Quick Detailer Plus, doing the job. I did another test here. Okay, and under the lights, this is what we got. Not super bad, but brand new, 16 miles. Just gonna address all of that with the Turbo Wax Soil Remover before we put the coating. So we go. Okay, all kinds of stuff happening here. Right there, look at all that, brand new right there. Some more. That's a little water spot, but we have markings and whatnot. Right there, we can clearly see them. Right there, look at that. So we continue. Okay, and we're ready to go with the boosted on the wheels or polish because we have so much flat surfaces, I'm not going to spray them. I'm just going to go with the applicator. A lot easier and faster, and I can save some product. So it's very nice when the surfaces are flat like this. It won't take long. So we continue. All right, one pass with the Sweat Remover Pro X, and just like that, foam pad, and we're good to go. Right there, beautiful, looking good. Moving on to the side, look at that already. Woo! Clay block and one pass of the Sweat Remover. Everywhere you put the light, we're good. Good to go. And here we got the price, 30,000. For the new smell, 22. I took her outside to check my work, and it's looking good. I think that will do it. I gotta continue, but at least I know what I have now. And the engine bay, just with the T2. Customer didn't request the ceramic for the engine bay, so look at this plasticish thing here. A lot of stuff in there, but the T2 doing their thing. Okay, and here's the end result, all done with the Sweat Remover Pro X, and then behind with the boosted. Look at this, and I showed you already on the sun earlier. It looks beautiful. The glass, the wheels, T2 on the tires. Interior, we put the signature one. Looking good. Nice little car. Is the Altima Midnight SR. Why did they put that chrome thing there? Beyond my comprehension. And this other chrome here, but nevertheless, it is what it is. And here she's all done, picture perfect. All right, and there she is. And well, that's a wrap for this one. Thank you for your support, following us, and don't forget to check us online, turbowax.com. Until next time, thanks again.